Hello everyone, I'm back for another video. And today we're playing Granny Chapter 2. This time we shall escape in the boat. So, yeah, I'm gonna show you the boat. First, I'm gonna show you this. Look at this machine. I know what this does. So it turns out that when you die, when the granny hits you in wave 5, she uses this thing to kill you. So she puts you in here. She puts you here. Then she clicks that button. Look how freaky it is. Just imagine being. There's no way to escape it unless you carve a box. Upstairs. Yeah, I'm not going up there. Okay, let's head into the boat. Get the boat. I don't know what that's doing. Right now, see, make sure no one.
Oh God!
Creepy stairs now. It's
I feel
creepy
bad
stairs.
for you guys. How you get this? If you learn this is gas and a frame of diamond and.
Oh, wait, what the? There's already stuff in here. In the boat. Oh, well, you just get the padlock key first.
I'm a.
Huh. Okay, so we might. I think that means we'll be skimming the bus easily. Oh, that's sparkling. Okay. Eat. Won't need it anymore. Oh, actually, turns out I will. Just in case I run out. Give me. Okay, so. Oh. Oops. Oh, there it is. Wait. Yeet. Wait. What? Oh, dang it. I'll come back to that. See. So, watch this. So, you eat it here, and it comes out like that. Okay. Eat it right. Eat! It's actually kind of cool. Where you just drop it in the water. It's popping in the water. Yeah, we might need to get back. Thanks for yeeting it in there. Thank you. I appreciate it. The boat needs a starting wheel. Steering wheel.
10! It's 10!
Okay, so we'll be heading upstairs to look for the steering wheel. I'm sorry, guys. So we gotta look for the steering wheel. Whoa. Oh.
There you go. I gave you the answer.
No. This kind of. Is everything glitched now? Cause table keeps eating itself. The cabinets are open. Nothing is just poop and trash.
Ding, 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 ding. Ding, ding, ding.
And where would we find the crowbar? Where's the Is that the security key? Really? I don't know what's going on. Everything's already... Boat steering wheel! Guys, rescue mountain boat. Whoopsie, Granny. Well, as we do that, trash her house. Let's go. I'm out of here, Granny. I'm driving. Now, creepy hallway. Sorry, Grandma. Sorry, Granny, but... Are you kidding me? At the moment, I always think you need a boat key. Turns out you actually need more things to actually drive a boat. Actually, that makes sense. You need a boat. You always need a key to drive a boat. So then what will we do? We will feel lucky. Ugh. No, F you, Granny. If that was a crowbar, where would I be? Because I feel like the boat key is somewhere. Aha! I give up. That thing loves eating itself. But our room's empty. Wait, what? There's a top. Bookie. Oh, and Crowbar was here. Okay, guys, we're skipping to the boat now. No lies. No, nothing. We're actually skipping to the boat now. I bet that part. No, I don't think so. Because. No. They're actually skipping to the boat. We have to. Yes! So long! Ugly! Oh. Oh, what's going on? Oh no. Whoa. Oh. So long, ugly weirdo. And your
grandpa.
And your socky hand puppet grandpa. I mean husband.
Oh my god.
So Granny has a baseball bat. Grandpa has a crowbar? I don't know. But anyway, guys. Oops! Hope you guys like it and subscribe. And definitely comment if it was your favorite game. So, yep. I'll see you guys in the next one. Yep. It was a very fun game. And I hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you liked it. So, see you guys later. Bye.